So here we have a electric mobility scooter and an electric push lawnmower that I'm hoping to put together and build a remote control lawnmower. I got this mobility scooter for 25 bucks and it actually worked. Now I already pulled off the power wheels to start mocking up how this all might work, but I did want to show you the various parts that I can get off this thing. This was a Rascal brand, had the big wheels on back with tank steering and casters on the front. On the armrest here was the motor controller with a joystick, speed control, things like that, which plugs into the base. I unmounted all that. It's got a very big heavy chair on it, and I took that off. Let's see if I can remove this one-handed. No. There you go. So that chair comes right off. Big plastic cover. Let's remove that. Then under here, this is a pretty big actuator that would actually power the chair up and down. That had a little switch and some relays to run it. So I'm going to pull that out and repurpose it for some other project. And then it's 24 volts, so it's got two batteries in here, which I disconnected. So to make things easy, I'm going to want a 24 volt battery system on this lawnmower when I'm all done. Come on, there you go. So with the batteries out, you can see right down here, we've got a motor. It goes to a gearbox, and this goes up and down. I unbolted that from the bottom. So this is a separate part, and relays and switches to go with it, so that'll be cool for my supplies pile. The rest of what's in here is mostly where the wheelchair motor's mounted, a basic wire harness, not a whole lot there. There is a fuse down here. I should be able to reuse that. And then also over here, this is a 24 volt gel battery charger and a little ammeter. And then that's just got a cord, so you just plug the wheelchair in. So I think I'll reuse that too. And then on the front, this had kind of this aluminum foot stand that would mount up here. I don't really see any good use for that, so I'll set that off to the side. But these casters would be perfect on the front of this lawnmower. And the way this works, you can see it's kind of an L bracket coming up to a swivel. So this can rock back and forth for uneven ground. So I'll be able to take this off. And then I think what I'll do is I'll chop that bracket, and I need to build some sort of cage around this. And then the casters here will mount back into the original bracket, and then the casters will look something like that. So that's kind of my idea for right now. I just wanted to show you all the parts that I could get off that very inexpensive electric mobility scooter.